What is going on? Wait, you guys are probably wondering why I'm cutting up this perfectly good hood. Well, the answer to that, guys, is because today I'm going to be installing this hillborn style hood scoop on back there my 1984 5.0 Fox body Ford LTD. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the fireworks. So we're good. End to end. We got the whole crew coming out to see what the heck is going on. Are you nosy? I like your Spider-Man shoes. So this is the benefits of including your wife in everything that you do. You see, she suggested, why not just fold the tape onto itself like that? That way when we lower the hood, it'll be a lot easier. Gentlemen, this is why I always highly stress you include your wife in everything that you do. So let's try this again her way. Let's lay it on the grass. Now, a lot of you guys might be looking at this and saying to yourself, okay, it's not perfectly centered. Shouldn't it be perfectly with that middle triangle there? Let me show you guys something. The way this engine is mounted into this car, actually the left side is a little bit shorter than the right side. This is 23 inches from the fender to the hood scoop. This is 20 inches. So technically, you did a great job, man. It worked. Now, believe it or not, you guys just witnessed the hardest part about this whole process, and that's cutting a hole in that freaking hood. This is like day number 3. I just put the same shirt on so you guys wouldn't notice, but I'll be transparent with you guys. That's because installing the actual scoop itself is actually pretty damn easy. So this is what the hillborn hood scoop kit brings. It brings this top right here, it brings this little mini air cleaner right here, and it brings this carburetor bracket. You first start off by installing the carburetor bracket. You want to install the flat part pointing forward towards your engine, and it literally just goes over your carburetor like that. Look at that. Next up, we put in our mini air cleaner like so. You put the lid over it, and then you pretty much just screw it on tight. And last but not least, guys, the literal cherry on top. This is the cherry that's gonna top off this beautifully modified and cammed out and headers and everything 302. We literally crown it, bam, just like that. Now this particular hood scoop installs from the bottom, so you're gonna wanna get yourself either some regular household mirror or this little dentist mirror here. That's gonna help us identify, bam, where the screws bolt in from the bottom. All right, guys, so the hood scoop has been successfully installed. Here is the turn on test. Let's see if I can turn this whole girl on. Here we go. All right, here we go. Just like that. She's alive now. The only thing left to do, why am I looking down? This thing's hurting my back. The only thing left to do, guys, is put the hood back on, slap it back on, do a couple of pulls, and see if there's actually any noticeable difference with this new Ram Air hood scoop, man. Let's get her going. Here we go. And that, guys, is a hillborn hood scoop on a 1985 Fox body LTD. Now, I kind of like this. It's kind of stealthy. You get me from far away? It's kind of stealthy. I definitely need to clear up some of these rougher edges right here. I thought it was gonna stick out even more, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of digging the stealthy look. Still has enough room right there to breathe. Well, let's find out. Let's turn it on again and see if that's gonna be good enough. But man, this GoPro doesn't do it justice. The camera doesn't do it justice. You guys need to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be throwing a couple more little glamour pictures in there for you guys. But next is for me to do a bunch of pulls with it and see if it actually makes any kind of noticeable difference having the ram air hood scoop. So let's go take this thing for a ride. Here we go. Look at that, fires right up, dude. Hell yeah. Woo! It's a bad biatch. Let's take her for a ride, baby. Let's do it. All right, guys, and that's where I'm going to leave the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are looking forward to more LTD, the old Lieutenant Dan content. I know I sure as hell am excited to have this thing back on the road, boys. Woo! So pretty. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. And on behalf of Lieutenant Dan, I'll catch you guys on the next video, man. Take it easy.